Moi Moi TV, that's the best. I pulled it! Powered by MTV Direct, you mad dogs!
G'day people, today we are building my new e-bike. We're going full Stagsy Pro. We got the mic set up so the audio should be primo. Yeah, been waiting on this bad boy. I ordered this in quarantine 2020 and I just got it. So we'll just blame COVID for that one. I've gone with the grey frame. Got the team spec. RockShox, SRAM. Oh, fuck, they're a bit heavy for the one shoulder, eh? Oh, it's got the internal seat clamp setup. Tidy little addition. Happy with that. I wonder why they don't whack these on the strive and stuff. Now I'm just gonna set this stand up. Kev's chop shop. It's a sturdy piece of equipment once you lock it down, mate. We're in. First things first, better put that battery on charge because we will be going to shred after this. First ride back on the dirt since my shoulder. I'm going to be cruising hard, so don't get too excited. But still first ride on the dirt, which is nice. No, it's a 200. I'm going to have to get some 220s for that. You know Kev likes these 220s. This looks safe, eh? Is that past the Stagsy OH&S?
Wow, how many you got plugged in there?
Mate, we just got the whole setup. You know what? I'm going to put that up there.
Is that Powerball plugged into?
No. That one's coming from inside, mate. How does this work?
Oh, so that plugs in.
Oh, so it's got to charge in the bike? Alright. E-bike rookies. First e-bike pretty much. Actually, I had an e-bike on Intense for like a month. Rode it 2 times. Oh, it's got a USB-C. Is that to charge your phone?
I'm pretty sure that was to charge your phone when we did the review with Blake.
What? That's mad. Moi Moi TV media devices will be fully charged at all times.
How many batteries is this thing got?
Didn't have to worry about this when I was a boy. I do love having no cables, but it's actually my favourite thing ever, so I'm not going to complain.
That's dangerous.
I'm a dangerous man, Stagsy. That's the stack they've left me. Come on, even I'm not running that. No, but I love how they left it, because the first few bikes they sent me cut steerers. And I was like, what are you up to? Because I do like a bit of a stack. Alright, we'll whack that on. Then we've literally just got to whack the wheels on. The most insane build video ever. We're putting the battery thing on the wheels and then that's it.
2 hours later.
Why did they do that?
What is that?
That's
oh
a Torx bolt. Is there anyone out there that likes Torx? Anyone in this universe? We want to hear from you. Make yourself known.
What does Steve-O reckon about Torx?
Don't get Steve-O going about Torx. Especially with his toolkit. All his Torx keys are missing their teeth, bro. Why is there one up there? Maybe it's a breather. I think that's just to let the flux capacitor breathe. Or you could top up your battery fluid through there. Don't know if we like that rain. Not for new bike day, come on. Yeah, bike build videos aren't like nerd enough, eh? Like, you know how they make all the noises and
Oh,
Maybe we do that with the Spectral. Got a mad Spectral build coming up. Maybe we get, might get someone to build it, because it's actually coming as a frame only.
Oh, okay.
So you get someone to build it, and you can get all the arty bike build nerd stuff that everyone likes.
Yeah.
You can like make the noises and stuff. Oh. And then
He's shaking in his boots.
oh, you can't do it on this.
Oh,
I was gonna give him a ratchet. We're just gonna have to go. Beautiful.
YouTube screen.
Oh, can watch the Steve-O warm-up montage just before you run to get you hyped. Where are we gonna go with that? Yeah, I'm gonna need some higher rise than that too, eh? I've got some somewhere, but
You got all the rise in that stack right.
yeah, I'm trying to eliminate some of that though, you know? Where are those bars? Where have I put those? Oh, they're up here, I think. Can I be fucked putting those on? Actually, I've got to cut these anyway, so if I'm cutting these, I might as well put the other bars on. Dude, I'm just the rider, I'm not the technical guy. There's technical guys for that technical stuff. We don't have technical Tom anymore, which is sad, but
Find out who's replacing Tommy.
yeah, we did. But yeah, we can't disclose that, so we'll have to blur that out.
Okay. Oh, Steve-O's the new mechanic.
Oh,
How about
you
that?
heard it here first. He wouldn't even show up to race day on time. You'd be late to your first stage for sure.
You'd be there the wrong year.
Ah, mister! What you do? He's come up to just check the quality control. Yeah. Your friendly local electrical inspector. What do you reckon, Reaver? 10 out of 10 he says. He's going to get himself into a mischief up here, eh? Oh! He's trying to do a Yui. Oh, how's he done that? Kev's Chop Shop doesn't have a working hacksaw. A sharp hacksaw at the minute, mate, so the AEG is going to have to do it. No measuring required. They all good, Braver? Yeah? Alright, mad. Some could mistake this for being a hack, but it's just time efficient, you know? $760 on the trail bike. Can you put a disclaimer in there for kids not to do that? Oh, and then my favourite tool, come here. I think I've already showed you. Favourite tool.
Oh, yeah. You attach that to a
Inside? You get the inside of that end. You get the outside of that end. We've had a hugie on the mic, but we're back. We missed a bit. Look how smooth that chop is though. Mate. No cut fingers there, eh? Very nice. Oh, did we miss the ladder shot?
We missed the ladder shot.
Oh, but you got the shot, you just didn't get the volume. Oh, and then my missing bars. I had 2 sets of these and I can't find the other set. And we think Steve-O could be the culprit.
Shall we Steve-O's address here, all the fans?
Yeah, we'll put it right there. We're going to put a bounty out for the missing bars. So we'll put a box of Jordans on Steve-O's head. You bring me Steve-O's head, dead or alive, I'll give you a Blue Country crisp box of Jordans. The address will be here. Go.
It's protected, not like Cannonball Tom's phone.
Shout out Cannonball Tom. Hope you're healing up well, brother. I caught up with him in the pub at the end of Cannonball, and he actually separated his shoulder. And 3 months before that, Cannonball Tom had a huge one and fractured his back in 3 places, did some ribs. Yeah, so I don't know how he walked out of that. Let's just say he's a bad man. What angle are we looking for on that, Stagsy, e-bike guy?
Up
with the stem?
Pretty much flush with the stem.
Just like that.
Your head's going to be about there.
Yeah, my head's going to be up there. Yeah.
What's that? So your eyes open. Bam. Perfect.
That's it? Your calculations are bang on?
We're back at school.
That was some quick maths. Just won't clip. There we go. Must have been right. Electrician.
Some pre-order.
A new what?
A better mic.
Oh, really? Up in the media game?
Just trying to keep up with Donnie.
Yeah. Bro, Donnie ain't afraid to drop some cash, eh? Fuck. Oh, smell that.
Oh,
I want to eat it, bro.
yes, that's sweet.
It'll be like those Tide Pods where all the kids just start munching it, boy.
Another disclaimer.
Another disclaimer, do not eat the BioGrease, as tasty as you think it might be. We're gonna do a trigger swap. Because you know I can't live without this new trigger. How many batteries are on an e-bike flight attendant bike? You do the maths. That's our riddle for today. Pedals. I'm gonna grab those. I got a fresh shit, man. BRB, bro. Fresh loot box. Should have a couple sets of flats. Oh, I've opened the bottom. Yes, a couple sets of flats. I'm gonna get back into the flats. Did we go large? Stamp large. Yeah.
What's in the box?
Pardon?
What's in the box?
Oh, shh.
And the bike stand didn't fall over today.
Yeah, because we've locked it. We've locked it in under the table. I really need to make a purchase on a new bike stand, eh? Get some tokens in that, pump those up. You already know the magic number if you've seen my Strive bike check. 72 PSI, 3 tokens. I'm guessing they've got sealant in the tyres already.
What the people want to hear is how your shoulder's going.
It's going good, mate. We're doing our first ride today, as I mentioned. First time we're taking tyres to dirt since the last race, since Scotland. What's that? October? Start of October. What's that? October, November, December, January, February. 5 months. You're kidding. Just been swimming, roadieing, gymming, you know, laying low, getting me training done. Doing all the boring parts of training without any of the fun stuff.
You're doing some trackside TVs though.
Yeah, I've done a few trackside TVs just to keep the tubers happy. But yeah, mate, we're nearly back into it. No rush. Didn't want to rush into it and potentially, you know, ruin something. I got some new black box. I got a new bike coming. And we're going to get our boy Stagsy out. And we're going to do like some of those test videos I did last year, but they were all like pretty budget production with my GoPro. We're going to have Stagsy on the ground to get you the latest testing, what do you call it? Testing process that we've been using.
Is this our new bike we speak of on its way? Or is it... It's on its way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's actually just a Spectral there. Oh, a good tip. I don't know if this is frowned upon or not, but I put just the tiniest dab of Loctite because A couple times my tokens have rattled loose and then they start banging around in your fork. And one time I fucked something in my fork because I didn't just stop and fix it. I tried to keep riding. So if you do that, just keeps it all screwed on there nice. So, oh my gosh, that's high. Dude, we might have to do a steerer chop. And we're just gonna get a height on this shit. Oh my gosh. It's an extra 50 mil higher. Yeah, I mean, I feel like bars, not too dodgy. This is pretty hack, eh? Pretty cowboy, but look.
They're from Australia.
We do get the job done. Give it a quick touch up. Just a real quick one. Fucking mint, mate. Oh, I've done the grips wrong too. This one says left.
So you took the number 1 on the Strive. Are you now taking the e-bike crown this year? Is that the plan?
Nah, I think I got a few more years left in me before I go e-bike guy. Oh yeah, we've only got 120.
Did you go different on the Spectral to the Strive?
Spectral, yeah, that whole setup's different because it's me Oz bike. It's like stiffer, so it's like better for all the tracks around here, just pumping, and there's not much rough stuff around here. More of a play bike, you know. What are we sitting at?
Devo.
I double checked with him. Did we take a set of the riser bars? Because he rode my downhill bike. He said no, we didn't. Would you trust him, Bart?
Get him on FaceTime and question him.
Steve!
Mate, how you going?
What are you up to, mate?
Mate, I'm just headed off to church.
Look, mate, we've just got a quick bone to pick with you.
Yeah?
We are missing a set of those high-rise bars. Are you sure you're not stashing them away in your shed somewhere?
I have no knowledge of that.
Yeah, we're just building up the e-bike.
Oh, yeah?
What do you reckon?
Get it.
Pardon?
What forks you got on it?
Debs.
Alright, we'll see.
See you, Steve. Let's see if a fellow e-bike breeder wants to come for a quick shred out of Wobber. Need some trains. I'm not going to be able to ride properly, so we need someone to...
Yo.
Arnie, man.
What's happening?
Oh, just building up that e-bike. What are you up to? Are you keen to come rip some e-bikes at a Wobber?
Yeah, when are you going?
Probably 20 minutes to half hour.
Okay, yeah. I'll see you out there in about half hour.
Yeah, we're going to do some filming with Stags here, right?
Yeah. What, of me?
Yeah.
Sounds cool.
What are you filming me for?
Oh, e-bike gang.
E-bike gang. Alright.
The people want to see Grub going ham. We got a fellow e-biker. Me mate Arnie. We do more surfing, but he's recently just got bikes again. So he'll be ripping. He used to ride for school sport with me back in the day, but then he had a few years off and he's back into it. Probably better to do this with a bit of heat as well. Might want to go like that. Oh yeah. Cut those sharp edges off as he peels it up. Like that?
Yeah, that's it. Kev's Chop Shop.
Kev's Chop Shop. Yeah, my feet rub on the swing arm so bad.
What's the magic?
Mate, you know, if you're a Moi Moi TV watcher, you know the magics.
Only
You're a
for
true
the,
Moi Moi TV watcher.
Only for the like and subscribers.
Yeah, exactly. They already know what's up. Let's go shred, Stagsy. Let's load her up, Gary.
Ooh.
You like my new tree? I think there's something up with me, eh? You shouldn't be this into plants at 28 years old.
Remember Dino a
That
few
one's
years
new
ago?
as well. Yeah. Dino was working those little pussy houseplants, so I'm into the real stuff, mate. Like new cactus, so I've had that for a while. Golden barrel, dragon trees, nice. I might take this for a quick spin actually. Let's see how she goes, boy.
You can't put pressure through the crank when you turn it on too.
Oh yeah. Or you can with it. Ooh. Super booster. Is it possible to ride an e-bike without a fat smile on your noggin?
I don't think so. Still only at 2
We're
bars.
2 bars, dude. We need to save that shit.
Ooh.
Mate, whack her on the Yakima.
Mate, she matches the vehicle pretty
Oh, what?
nicely. Oh, look at that.
How you doing the Yakima, champ? Alright, I just blown me back out trying to lift it onto the truck. Plugs, eh? Moz was telling me that a couple months ago. He's like, dude, it sounds like my door's got water in it. I'm like, you're wigging.
Has he been swimming with it, or is it just from there?
Nah, it gets in somewhere. I don't know. They're probably all up there. This thing's off its chop, Stagsy.
E-bike guy.
Rough hard, eh? Oh, we got that other boys out here filming. We got Muddy, Ken, Joe Killen. We'll get some mad trains.
How's your shoulder feeling?
Yeah, it's all good. Forget how much you miss it. You kind of get over it towards a full year of racing all the time. But yeah, after a 5-month break, I'm frothing. The dirt is mint, bit of rain. You know I love a little bit of rain to tack it up. If you don't like e-bikes, you're a sad guy. You're a sad human. It's so much fun. I did forget my knee pads first ride though, so yeah, not the best. But we're just cruising, so it's all good. My mate Harry, he's on the other e-bike too, so we're just doing some trains. He's ripping. But yeah, just taking it easy, alright? No shrouping. No sending, no shrouping. Doctor's orders. I might have to do a bit of push filming later. Oh, that's all good being over the front. Just poke your ass back a bit so you like to center it. You're on the center. Like I think you're a bit like that. Oh yeah. So if you go. Yeah. Down into the rainforest, Stagsy.
Oh yeah.
No, you get a bit wet.
Going.
Pardon?
I don't know where we're going. Never been down there.
I was gonna say that way, but I think we'll go that way instead.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, God, that's slick. That's a slick patch, eh? What do you reckon, Stagsy?
I thought you were just going to be cruising through that last shot, not pedaling.
Oh, we're on the eaves, boy.
We gotta hit boost.
Yeah. Wait, give it chance.
Oh, you feel we going uphills now?
Yeah, we're getting the senior shots, boy. Nah, I reckon it feels better than I thought. I sent it off a water bar at one point and it like just hurt a bit. But yeah, we've still got 3 months before the first round, so we got lots of time.
That's pretty good for your first ride back after 5 months of
Yeah,
rehab.
yeah, it's all good. Exactly where we want it, mate. And I don't know, it's just hard because I feel like I could ride exactly the same speed as the day I stopped riding 5 months ago, but I can't because my body's not ready for it. So it's hard, like, just not riding fast.
Convincing yourself to slow down.
Yeah, it was fun. I'm frothing in case you didn't tell. Yeah.
Couldn't get the smile off your face with the e-bike.
Nah, well, it was a combo of not riding for so long and the e-bike probably. Yeah, that thing's gonna get some K's on it. Need to get some spare batteries to do the big double battery missions up into the Wattigans and stuff. My brother's got a Spectral On as well. Harry's got the e-bike, so we can go on some like missions. They kind of, I think they kind of suck if you're the only one with one, because like it's pointless. You like ride up real quick to the top, but then you got no one to ride down with. You can get that loner back too.
Yeah.
And join in on the action. Bring the camera and film some epics, mate. Be sick.
Yeah, that would be awesome. So what's the plan for the next 3 months then? Building up to the season?
Yeah. Well, I'll be, what is it, end of Feb. I want to be like back on the bike kind of normally, because that was just an XC loop. I wouldn't ride like a Rimba down or anything yet. Maybe give it another couple weeks. So maybe start of March, be back on the bike, like properly doing everything, and then I've got March, April, May, yeah, so pretty much 3 months to prep for that first round in Scotland. Just gotta, yeah, get in a good training routine now and get back on the bike. But as I said, you don't forget how to ride. I already feel like I could go fast if I have to, but I just, yeah, just take some time to get the body and everything back to normal. Well, it isn't race fast, it's just fast because I've been sitting on the couch for 5 months, so it will take a bit of time to get back up to speed, but we got time, and the season's long. Well, we're going to Tassie in end of March to do the Enduro Jam, and then I'm going to do a couple races with the MTB Directs crew. We're going to go to Cooma April, and then maybe I'm planning for Stromlo, but it just depends when I fly out for our team camp, because I got to leave a few weeks before Scotland to do a team camp in France. So if it's not too early in May, then we're going to do that Stromlo race as well. Might do a few cheeky Stagsy edits here and there, Metal Mondays, but I've got to be back up to speed for that.
Like that shit.